Ooh. I don't know what's gonna do me. I'll blow up. Come here, Daddy. Wow, man. Go look at Mommy's. Whew. That house one was pretty damn cool. I didn't expect that. That was wild. Look at Mommy. I had to run away. The sparks are going to hit me. Looky. Come here, Xandria. See the cans I got now? They brought them from the township. Different. They give these 90-gallon cans for the recyclable, and everything fits in there. Mommy made a dud. Oh, you know, it's probably the humidity. Well, that sucks. She got a boom. Did the wick go away? Yeah. Aw.
Was that the one you already did and it went through the...
Well, that sucked. It's probably because of the moisture, like the humidity, you know. Get another one. You guys pick.
I wanted to pick this. I was going to pick this.
What is that one? That's Mommy. Let me see. I see the mosquitoes are flying over here. Right there. That's going to be another one of those ones. Looky, don't you go downstairs.
I'm going to back up a lot.
Come on. Oh, shit. That was a quarter stick. I used to get those every year. They're annoying.
I don't like those ones.
Don't get away. Let me stay away from it.
Come looky. Woo! Looky. Wow. That's cool, Lippy, huh? She's got you running. Look at Daddy, come on. Whoa. That was cool, huh?
That was.
She's look at honey, looky, hurry. Hold Daddy's hand. Looky. Whoa. Pretty.
Oh, fire.
What?
That was.
Oh. They sucked, huh? Oh. Come here, Daddy. Are you serious? Yo, I got gypped. That's the second one that didn't go off. Are you serious? I'm so hot, man. Come here, Alexandria. She always runs back. Come here. I'll sit in your chair. Cheeseness. The thing's lighting or going. Hold that. It's recording. I've been pausing it instead of stopping it, so it gets everything, you know. We'll just like this one right here.
Oh, it fell over. What is flies in the air?
I'm pulling the flies in my hair.
What a rip. Oh!
Those are baby ones.
No, baby.
Yay! That was real long. All right, you want this one?
Yeah.
We don't. Okay, fine. Come on. We got to get everybody over for this one then, right? Sandra, come on, bring your chair. Bring it.
I'm scared to go by it.
You don't have to go by it, honey.
Scared something happens to Sandra.
She'll be fine, sweetheart. We're not going near it. Come on, Alexandria, honey. Come on, bring your chair. Oh.
Looky, hurry, hurry.
Yeah.
Come here, come here.
Oh! Record that firework.
They land on the ground and then pop. How do they do that?
I know, it's weird.
Like they're landing and then exploding.
Where are you guys going?
I'll take it off.
Here, I paused it, I think, for a minute.
No,
I
it's
just
still going.
paused it.
No, wow. Looky.
It's one of those ground balloons again. I should have.
At least that one has colors in it. That one was like actual fireworks at the end. Just short. My grand. Say peekaboo. Peekaboo, I see you.
What the heck is that?
What's it gonna do?
Oh, what do we get like a...
All done. Fireworks are exhausting. You don't even know where it is. Looky.
This is going to be a little bigger.
Now. Boom! Come here, looky. Come here, boss. Oh, almost high. looking at them. Woo! Hold Daddy's hand. Hand? He just backed it up. Whoa! Look at it. That's pretty cool.
Just 2 more left.
Here, you do.
Just
You
2
do
more
it.
left.
Throw?
You do it.
You throw it.
Take it.
Throw. Here.
You do.
I do.
Here. Yeah. Throw it on the ground. Hard. Throw it hard.
I hope she doesn't
Throw it.
No,
Look.
no.
Yeah. She's sticking it in the
I'm
car.
afraid she's going to try and squeeze it. Look at.
Oh, don't even do it. Whee!
Where's the other one?
Already.
No. I am so scared she's going to it's going to pop in her finger or something.
Oh.
The baby now.
See, and you can go over there and you can throw them up in the air. Remember last year? Remember last year I was chasing each other around that bean thing. Me and Trent were running full speed. Remember that?
Yeah.
That was funny, wasn't it? I had a couple that were running around. Woo!
Oh, where's all the sparklers? Where's all the sparklers? Where'd the sparklers go? Oh, look at the little. The whole pack is full. Oh, it's 2 more left.
Ooh. You see, when I buy her new toys, I bought her these new little My Little Ponies and a baby. She's like, oh, she's like, oh, it's like, oh my God, it's so funny. Yeah, this one. That house one was pretty cool.
Yeah, it was.
Whoa, looky. Yeah, those are suck. Here. That one says green glitter or gilter or something. Looky. Wow, looky. That was cool, huh? Is that a big one or a medium sized one?
Medium. There's another one over there.
Ooh. Fire! Wee! Look what Mommy did. Woo!
That's it? That's it?
I know, those ones are cheesy. It took a long time, but I did it. I got it going.
That's it.
See?
Little ones.
What? Dude.
No, she got the 2 boxes.
Oh, no. Litty, I told you. The pool, the sparks.
You gotta watch out.
There's probably holes in it now. If there's not a hole in there, there's got to be a hole in that pool. I don't know, she was like sparks over 100 times. It might not, but I hope not. Oh, that's purple. Yippee! Daddy's hand. Hold Daddy's hand. Boom! Looky.
Yeah, I wiped mine off with Licky.
I go run through it. Look at all get burnt through the burns. Look! Are you serious?
I wiped mine off with
No, because there's more.
Oh. That one stinks.
I was wondering if I should get if it's close.
There's more. Woo! That's pretty, huh? Yay!